Good day, guys. Today's YouTube video, it's our daily update from our weekly forecast. We'll be focusing on our normal pairs, which is Euro USD, Pound USD, USD Swiss franc, gold, NAS 100 and USDT. So let's see what happened today. I did have a trade, but it's still running, so it hasn't lost yet. So we have a range, right? We have a 15 minutes range. I was not looking to do anything on a higher time frame, but we do have a 15 minutes range from this low, sharing the same low. So what do I expect? I expect price to retrace, of which is already giving us a retracement. I'll just wait for a confirmation so that I can start. We don't know where price might fall to. We have this demand here. We have a smaller unit demand here. Price currently is on a retracement, so we will be looking to buy, to go long based on 15 minutes range. Let's jump into pound USD. USD is also on a retracement. We have a high that was created right here. We have a low right there. We expect a retracement, then a continuation. Here, 15 minutes is sharing a low with H1. So this is a high liquidity, meaning that there's a lot of buyers here. 15 minutes range buyers and H1 range buyers. We'll just wait for a price to give us indication that it's ready to go up, then we jump into it. So let's jump into USD Swiss franc. We are currently in a certain, based on higher time frame, based on this demand, H4 demand, we had a buy limit on this line here. Price came to fill us in today. We are currently in a small profit. This one is a long-term trade, so you only need to risk 1%, right? Where are we targeting? We are actually targeting this daily high right here, and this is our stop loss right here. So it's a 1 to 4, so risking 1% to make 4% is not bad. It's not bad at all. So the price came to trigger today, and that was based on H4. We're already in this trade, so we let the probability play out. Right now we have a range. Where is the range for H1? This is the low, this is the high, this is a retracement. It gave us a confirmation here to enter a buy here. However, I never give this to my signal group because now we have two positions at the same place. Now it will be high risk, so me, I don't mind taking risks. It gave us a confirmation here, then came to trigger us here. Here we are buying. That's our stop loss. And where are we targeting? We're targeting that high. And if you want, we can also target this high right here. This one will give us a lot of risk to reward. Then I'm just targeting 4%, risking 1% to make 4% on this trade based on what? On H1. You understand? So we have I have two trades running on the same position, and they are all saying buy. So however, I'm gonna hedge these two positions. You understand? So how am I gonna hedge these two positions? Because of this range from this high to this low. So we have a 15 minutes range from here to here. You understand? So we are currently on a retracement of that range. So what if it gives us enough reasons to sell? We're gonna counter trade these positions. Currently, I'm still waiting for further confirmation. It is confirming that, okay, we might sell. However, it hasn't confirmed yet based on 15 minutes. So what I saw is that price created this equal highs right here. Then it gave a inducement like for early buyers. You see here, this is early buyers. Then it took out that high. So meaning that it has already provided liquidity. And we do remember this is an agent high. So it can also be swept before it starts to go down. However, I'm just observing it. Like I know that liquidity has been provided here. So anytime it can just start to give us anything, anytime. We don't know how it's gonna deliver, but I'm just waiting for it to line up, then I'll execute. So I'm gonna counter trade this buy with this 15 minutes range. Let's jump into gold. I was hoping to get a buy today. So what price did was give us a proper confirmation of that high. Currently, we're still in this range. This is the high, that is the low. So I'm just waiting for the market to give me extra confirmation. So what it did here, I saw that it created something like equal lows. After taking these equal lows, I'm gonna look for a buy. So far, it hasn't given me a reason to trade yet. It looks like it's gonna violate this range. So if it violates that range like this, now we know that 15 minutes now bearish. We can start looking for a sell on 15 minutes. However, on H1, it failed to take out that H1 high. This is gonna be interesting. I know that if it fails to take that high, meaning that this low right here, it's a weak low. So we'll see what's going to happen. We'll just react when it happens. So let's jump into Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, I'm actually waiting for also a buy here. Price has taken the Asian low here, right here. So now it's moving up. So probably I'm not going to take this trade unless it gives me something like this. Then I'll look for a buy. However, if it just goes up from that means I'm gonna miss the buy. But it will depend how it opens tomorrow. I will see what happens. Like because it's closing in about 25 minutes. Then we'll see tomorrow. We have also USDT. So price also took out the Asian low right here and it went up. So in some of the brokers, I think it did take this high, but I'm just gonna keep watching it. Let's just see now because I don't want to confuse my strategy. What can happen is that if price can give me a deeper retracement, then give me maybe a break of structure, then I'm gonna look for a buy all the way going up. That will be all for today, guys. We'll see tomorrow with another update and see if how this one is gonna play out. However, I'm just eyes open. I'll just see what's gonna play out, but I'm confident that it might go up. We never know. All we have to do is just to have a strategy that is giving you more or less the 55 win rate. Then you make money. All you have to do is just to execute. But we'll just have to see, guys. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it, and share this content with people who might use it. You understand? If you enjoy it, maybe someone else might enjoy it too. Danke.